Hi there guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sithelo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So Sithelo shows his body have broken the internet after she and her BBL have trended for days now since she came back from Turkey with her new banging body. Her BBL is considered #1 as people have stated that she looks way better than Eva Mudika, who too had a BBL through the same doctor, but unfortunately people are saying that her BBL is botched, you guys. Doromongy has praised Sithelo's new body on her Instagram and jokingly said that she wants to redo hers so that it looks like Sithelo. So without wasting your time, check out this video.
You that I'm still very much in love with Ghost. Me and Ghost re a fishana. Ke feel every day into diang mo phelo mbaka ke movie. So ke phela ke le busy ke mo mmerekong like this is a full-time job. Go just pani ke busy ka Ghost ke busy ka yena ke busy ka na ke mo momeji ke mo ngamaretse ke so bona. Ke mo ngamaretse ke so a gona mo ke yang. Yeah, so sa yo ke le botse ke a kwa le abolela busy la mara nto ke tolo botsa nyona go ka kwa ga mathopela ka kwa go sanyiwa go sa le within re sabele Ghost le boteng dilo dia change go wa bona no lo di improvement go no le go wa bona no man lo tsama straight man yeah go na bad luck man lo di a bontsha no yeah it is what it is guys yeah wa le bone body ya Sithelo take bone mireo weta take bone blessing take bone mireo idieso iska ba yawa ka re blessing yena ina oh double drone eh ibutse akere wa motsiba o destroy blessing the hair destroyer ka re yena o ne di dreads ka re yena o ne di dreads na mbili
Horose chomi ya tonya
fele horose o se reka kanjelo ka re feditse kare ka montonye re nna oros ka kara ke sa dula mo khina mbili ya o sa reka oros thawa bere go today what's
thank you chomi o tlo na Bloemfontein go sasa Horose reka cha Bloemfontein because the house got bloom emphasis
kiri body ya Sithelo idia masipa same doctor same clinic different results king
beef stew Kasi is gone. Wa marinate.
I be 24 hours before cooking. Yara mola e kuchir. Kai seba. Yeah. Yo, guys, I know Sithelo influenced me to go and do my body in that turkey. That body is shocking. Marakas twana ka re tshwana.
Batho ba ditshwana and batho ba nyakina go accept.
Batho ba nyakwa accept di body tsarna di tshwana. Body tsarna di tshwana body that's told ya masepa. Dia masepa. What's our life? Yo! Yo! Di ropetela kar Sithelo dar kar yo apona ke botsiba. Yo! No body la dia masepa guys. No body la letswele di rupe tsa ngwanola I know betle new body zero body count period new body zero body count ska bolela re ke ex ya mang Sithelo does not have an ex after that body she is a